I guess here 8 plus 2 power 3 is 8 times here 3 plus 1 in bracket. Here 8 plus 8 is 16 times 3 plus 1 in bracket. Here 16 times 3 plus 1 is 4. Here 16 times 4 is 64 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 64 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in correct order. Here this is a bracket higher priority. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication, division both are equal priority. Also this addition, subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority, so we have to do this bracket before this operations. Here 8 plus 2 power 3 times here 3 plus 1 is 4. The next priority is exponent. We have exponent here, so we have to do this before this addition and multiplication. So 8 plus 2 power 3 is 8 times 4. Here we have addition and multiplication. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition, so we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here 8 plus here 8 times 4 is 32. Here 8 plus 32 is 40 is the correct answer.